You could sell your car to Kelly Car Buyer. Dump that clunker for cash.
Kelly Car.
You got a hunk of junk clunker with no front bumper. The trunk's crunched and you always gotta jump start it. And the body's all scratched up. You just wanna give it up or sell it today. Well, you could sell your car to Kelly Car Buyer.